Hello students, welcome to Sankalp Learning Solutions. We are discussing questions on the alternating current. So here we have the first question. A 40 microfarad capacitor is connected to a 220 volt 50 hertz AC supply. The RMS value of the current in the given circuit is nearly. So here the value of the capacitance is given as, that is 40 microfarad. So this can be written as 40 into 10 raised to minus 6 farad. And this is connected to the voltage of 200 volt and the frequency is given as 50 hertz. Here you need to calculate the IRMS. They are asking you to calculate the current. Okay, so the IRMS is given as, IRMS is equal to, it is ERMS upon, it is a AC circuit connected to the capacitor. So hagagi ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ERMS upon XC ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ students. Okay, so this ERMS divided by XC. So the XC value is not given. So instead of that, we can take it as 1 upon omega C. We can take it as 1 upon omega C, which is equal to ERMS upon, so omega value is also not given. So omega can be written as 2 pi F and C, write it as it is. So if you simplify this formula, it will become 2 pi into F into C into ERMS anta agate, because denominator allide. So hagagi simplify ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ 2 pi F into C ERMS anta baribodu. So here the remaining values are given. The voltage adu 200 volt anta ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, that is nothing but the ERMS value. Okay, so here we can substitute the values, the remaining all values we can just substitute that. So here the ERMS is, it is 200 into 2, the value of the pi is, it is 3.142 into the frequency value is given as, it is 50 hertz. Okay, so here, yes, so we have all the values and C value is, capacitance is 40 into 10 raised to minus 6. So multiply all these values, 2 into 200 into 2 into 3.14 into 50 into 40 into 10 raised to minus 6. So here if you multiply this one, you will get it as 2.51 ampere. So the IRMS is 2.51 ampere. That is option C is the right answer, students. Okay.